Hey guys, for the curlies who ask for a lighter leave-in conditioner, this formula is definitely for you. Made with a special blend of conditioning agents along with marshmallow root and slippery elm bark, it'll give you softness without the heavy, oily feeling.
Let's watch how this is done.
Make a tea from marshmallow root and slippery elm bark. It's up to you how much of each herb you want to use.
Each of us has certain interests which we need to share with others.
Slippery elm bark in particular will have a lot of noticeable mucilage when you make a tea with it. I used a regular strainer, but you can use whatever works best to strain your tea. Propanediol is a non-petroleum-based humectant and solvent used as an alternative to propylene glycol. Propanediol is not sticky like glycerin. It also doesn't appear to have the same immediate problem as glycerin does with dew points and humidity. The first key ingredient for this formula is a premixed combination of bihydramonium chloride, cetyl alcohol, and other ingredients meant to make a quick, softening conditioner without much effort. The second key ingredient here is marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is said to have smoothing properties and strengthening properties. Slippery elm bark is said to have conditioning properties and helps to improve the shine of hair over time. Instead of using a tea rinse with the herbs, let's use it as a base for this light leave-in conditioner. ICE or ice conditioner is a blend of bihydramonium chloride and cetyl alcohol along with a couple of other ingredients to make this a quick process conditioner. Now you can use BTMS 50 if you don't have ice conditioner. Now, if you can't get this from makingcosmetics.com, look for GQuat NDCS if you want to get this from another supplier. Although the ice conditioner is marketed as a cold process emulsifying conditioner, I find that it blends better and faster when heated. Heat phase A to between 75 and 80 degrees Celsius. Where have you been? The full video was available for everyone for a few days before it was squirreled away for CURLYTEA.com subscribers. You can still see the full video if you become a subby at CURLYTEA.com. This and all the other videos, recipes, formulas, instructions, my notes, and everything else are immediately available. I mean, unless the rights have been purchased by one of the subscribers at the website, of course. But don't get mad, sis. Don't get mad. There's even an option to become a one-time access subscriber where you can decide when you want access to the available information. Come check it out. Links are in the description. Now, I do it this way because YouTube stay tripping, as y'all know. This channel is not monetized or sponsored, and I'm trying to help as many people as I can, as much as I can, on their journey to create their own hair care and skincare, whether they want to start their own businesses in the future or if they just want to be able to select every single ingredient in the products that they put on their hair and their skin. So please consider becoming a subby today.
The design is complete. But will it work?
You have the option of adding color to this leave-in at this point. Try a nice soft green or maybe even a bluish green color to make it stand out more. You can also, of course, leave the color as is. The natural color is fine. Just note that it won't be a bright, pure white, like if that's what you're looking for. It'll have a slightly off-white color. The final product will thicken only slightly from where it is on day one. If you've whipped a lot of air into this product while mixing the ingredients, you may notice that in a few days, the following days, it'll appear as if air pockets are in the product. Manually stirring will decrease this effect. Enjoy this light, softening leave-in conditioner. You can get more recipes and formulas like this, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information at CURLYTEA.com. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon. This formula is oil-free, as you've noticed. If you want a more substantial leave-in conditioner using the same ice conditioner blend, check out this video.
All right, children, it's time to get ready for bed.